Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have a double stack this morning over at Walgreens, a paper booster and the digital booster, and there's some pretty respectful deals in this haul. I did have one mess up. There's supposed to be a spend 20 get back $10 register reward on the SHEA moisture. I mixed and matched and I came a little bit too close to the sun and it didn't print for me, but a very nice manager credited me the $10 in Walgreens cash. And I'll talk about the deal two different ways. But I did mess that up. So just throwing it on the table so you don't mess it up as well. Okay, so if you could do me a huge kindness, if you love to save money over at Walgreens, and I'm sure most of you have a fistful of cash from these deals, maybe not. If you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, let's get this video to 1,000 likes and make my Sunday. So a lot of the winter items, if you live in a very colder climate, Wisconsin, Michigan, Ohio, the cold areas, Minnesota, toques or the beanies and the little hot hands, up to 90% off. So you might want to moonwalk down that aisle and see what they have. We have some beautiful fire logs for $4.49 and the really insulated socks when you're out there shoveling, very cheap. So you might want to check those out if you live in a colder climate. Walgreens face masks in size small, the 50 count only, are on clearance for $1.99. We have a $2 IVC. It's going to reduce down to $1.99, making it completely free. And they're buy one, get one free. So grab like two, use your IVC, and then you have some free masks. It's for a smaller face. My mom actually, I was telling her about this deal and she's like, I can use some masks. And she has a very tiny face. So I just picked her up 4 boxes because I'm not a complete monster. Lots of like fabric softeners, different detergents and soaps, 50% off or just a couple dollars off. If you have extra register rewards that you want to use, this is a very good use of them. First deal we're going to talk about is the 40% off Rimmel makeup, cosmetics, those good products. We also have a lot of digital coupons. The easiest way to see the price is to look it up in the app. It's the easiest way to do it, and 40% off, nothing to sneeze at. IBOTTA is giving back $2 for each of these products with a limit of up to 3. So if you can go in store and find items that are very cheap, make it happen. And the limit is up to 3. So if you wanted to use a digital coupon, you'd have to buy a 4th. For the little eye removers that are $2.69, 4 of them is $10.76. Subtracting the 1 digital, you'll pay $8.76. Photograph that out to IBOTTA for $6 back, making it $2.76 for the 4 or 69 cents for a product that's just under $5. Very good deal. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash, you have to do this deal with no booster. Okay, so with the Arm & Hammer scent beads, they are $7.49 on a buy one, get 2 for free this week. So a little bit high, but IBOTTA is offering $1 back for each, so make sure that you have this rebate and you're scanning in store and doing all that magic. 3 of them for $7.49. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $3 back. It makes it $5.49 for the 3 or $1.83 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another deal that's really fantastic, this was ringing up for $9.99 in my store today. I don't know why. But IBOTTA has $5 back for this guy, so it would drop it down to $4.99 because it was $9.99, which is really weird. And that's a stock up price for these big mamas, so very easy. I grabbed one for $9.99. I used a register reward that I had actually, but I'm not going to factor that in. But $5 back from IBOTTA, making this bottle $4.99. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but a really good stock up price for a massive bottle of Arm & Hammer. Now, this is another super deal. The different Walgreens brand freezer bags, storage bags, you name it. They are buy one, get 2 for free. And the buy price is $2.79. So $2.79 for 3 equals 93 cents for one of these boxes of 20 bags. So that is like cheaper than Dollar Tree. There is no other store that has them for 93 cents right now. So this is a stock up price. These are very similar to Ziploc. I've been using these bags for years. I use them for a lot of stuff, not just for food storage, but regular storage. Fabulous stock up price. The Oscar Mayer bacon is $8 for 2 packages. $4 a piece. And some of you might have a rebate on Fetch Rewards for like 50 cents back. I unfortunately didn't get it, but go and look for this, especially if you're like a keto dieter. You're going to want to stock up this week and ask for a rain check if they are completely out. This is a very good price point. Unfortunately, I couldn't do this deal because I could only find one of the Old Spice Pure Sport body washes. They are priced at $7 this week. We have this 5 off 3 digital coupon, which is really fantastic. IBOTTA also has a rebate, very similar, of $5 back when you buy 3. And then you're going to get back a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of these as well. So 3 of these is 21 on the nose. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 16. Get back one $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $5 back. It makes it $6 for the 3 or $2 per Old Spice. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but what a deal. Okay, guys, so I'm going to tell you the right way to do this deal because I messed it up this morning, and I'm going to explain it here in a second. We have a paper booster. I got out of the machine, 5 back when you spend 20 with the digital booster, and the 2 stacked giving me back 12, which is really nice. I grabbed 3 of the storage bags at $2.79. Buy 1, get 2 for free. And then what I should have done was grabbed 3 of the deodorants. They are buy 1, get 1 50% off. And the promotion is earn a $10 register reward when you buy $20 worth of the SHEA Moisture deodorant. It's in their flyer this week. I mixed and matched, so I grabbed a conditioner and then 2 of the deodorants because I wanted to try to get more coupons off, and that was my mistake. So for this, 3 of the bags, 3 of the deodorants. That is the smart way to do it, where it should print for you. So just to show you in store, this is what I grabbed, $2.79, and then 3 of these guys. Because with the mix and match that I did, the register reward did not print. So just life lesson from this person here who messed up this morning. And this is a newer product as well. So there's a bit to it where we have a $3 digital today and the promotion to spend 20, get back a $10 register reward. But the mixy match didn't really work out for Aunt Rach. Load this digital coupon, which is a $3 off. And then Shopmium also has a $3 rebate as well. And since you're only using 1 digital coupon on the 3 products, you should be able to apply for this. No problems, no issues. And hey, it's $3 back. So 3 of those SHEA Moisture deodorants is $27.47. They're on a buy 1, get 1 50% off. 3 of the Walgreens bags at $2.79 for a grand total of $30.26. Scan your paper booster, have your digital booster loaded. 1 $3 digital coming off for SHEA Moisture. Pay $27.26 with your debit card. Get back $12 for the boosters and then one $10 register reward. Take a quick snap to Shopmium for $3 back for that 1 deodorant. $2.26 for the 6 products or 37 cents each. Really good price point. And remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as you're using 2 different spend boosters. And the promotion with the SHEA Moisture is spend 20 to get back that 10. We don't want any trouble. Good luck with this, guys, and make it happen. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.